Hey guys, it's G-Man over here. I just bought another Bug, a 1973 Super Beetle convertible. Check it out. We'll get home and see how long it'll take for me to start this. Really pretty car, just has a lot of little things that need to be fixed up. Got a few minor imperfections where the trim was put on, damaged the paint. I get all that fixed. Bunch of garbage tape in here on pieces of the interior, and like this Tekla garbage that's on it. I was going to do a compression test, and then I found a #1 cylinder spark plug strip at an angle. So what we're doing now is we're gonna pull this motor out. I don't like this aftermarket AC system on it. I may or may not sell it with the car. There's a condenser here, but there's no evaporator cord. I don't see a blower anywhere. You know, it doesn't make sense. We're gonna get this motor out of here and I'll decide what to do with it, whether I'm gonna put this one back in it or the rebuilt one I have in there.
After he worked on the brake system and refreshed and detailed the engine, he took it for a maiden voyage, an hour and 30 minutes to Daytona to go look at a dune buggy.
As you can see, got my toolbox open. I broke down. Here's the fuel pump. Took a crap. I got Jeff Garner at AC Auto House, like 13 minutes up the road, so if you're gonna break down, it's good to be near Jeff. He's gonna bring me a fuel pump, and hopefully that's it. We'll get it straight. I was heading to Daytona Airkewld parts, and now Charlie's gonna go look at the dune buggy for me, because I'm probably gonna be late, and it looks like a bunch of people are gonna be there at 4:30, so cross your fingers we get our hands on it. Over here at Daytona Airkewld parts, and it's time to do a little work on this. You know, this was its first long journey, hour-and-a-half drive. Valve cover gasket leaking, and I screwed up and put those cheap chrome ones on there. Gonna get those off and put some new gaskets on and take care of that. And here we are with the dune buggy, concept 1. Hell yeah, just bugging on a daily.
And then the first week of April, we took it to the second Ocala VW Riders car show, and we won an award. Then at the beginning of May, we headed up to the VDUB factory of Ocala to possibly trade it for another VW. Alrighty guys, well we haven't told you too much about the 73 Super Beetle that we purchased at the VDUB getaway. We were there chilling, camping, having a good old time, documenting that for you guys. My dad happened to be scrolling Marketplace and he came across this 73 Super Beetle convertible that looks just like our 78 Carmen Super Beetle convertible that we restored. And that was our first Volkswagen that we restored way before just Buggin. This car looks just like it. Greg Adams, our buddy with the 71 whale tail.
No better person to send about a Super Beetle than Greg.
Yeah, so he went over, checked it out, absolutely loved it. What all did you do to it?
Well, I didn't have to do a lot to it. Replace the brake master, replace the wheel cylinders and brake shoes in the rear, put new running boards on it, pulled the motor out, had an AC compressor on it aftermarket. To take all those brackets off, I didn't see any reason for it. I mean, if you want AC, put 12 volts AC in it, keep it out of the motor. Put new seals in it, refreshed the motor, detailed it, slapped it back in. It runs great. Drove it over to Daytona, hung out at Charlie's DACPA. Really hadn't had to do anything to it. It runs great.
Why are we here at the VDUB factory?
Well, I'm thinking about trading the 73 convertible
there it is.
a fastback.
What better timing than that?
Yeah, so that's what's going on here today. So yeah, the Super Beetle booked for more than the fastback, but I've always wanted a fastback, and what better one than one with a rag top.
Let's check it out and let's meet the owners.
How was your drive?
It wasn't bad, man.
Greg?
I'm Scott, man. Greg.
Nice to meet you.
Dalton. The owners of the fastback were extremely nice, and we thank you for allowing us to look at it. The engine looked nice, the interior looked nice, but the quality of the paint is what stopped us from trading the 73 Super for the 69 fastback. We didn't end up trading for the fastback.
Too much orange peel, fisheye.
Pictures can be deceiving.
Yep, so I'm back in the Vert. It's going to go for sale.
Yep.
Yeah, I was just hoping to get something I've been wanting for a while, but it was going to have to be pristine.
Underestimated how far of a drive this was.
Especially coming from Clearwater. I went there to see Kiss once, and my God, going 10, 15 miles is like driving here. 2 hours.
Yeah.
When you get out on the road, it's not so bad.
But it took us.
How you doing?
Good, Steve.
Greg?
Nice to meet you.
My brother
Dalton.
Steven.
Nice to meet you, Dalton. That's my son.
Dalton.
Nice to meet you. We're here for the
Jody.
intervention.
Nice to meet you.
We turn the corner, I go, yeah, he needs an intervention.
You can see it's an addiction. I've got enough of them here.
Yeah, you do.
You're a Copenhagen.
Where'd you get it from?
I bought it from a guy in Leesburg. He bought it out of Orlando. Yeah, I pulled it out, put a brand new carburetor on it, complained about the brake, needed 2 wheel cylinders. One of the shoes was off and running around inside the drum.
Lovely.
Other than that, there's no rust on this car or anything, the original floors.
how'd you like it?
It was fun.
Yeah?
Well, chances are you'd never have the top up anyway. She has a garage. It would spend its life in the garage.
2 weeks later.
Guess what day it is?
It is time for the 73 Super Beetle to go on to its forever home.
Good morning! Today's the day!
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited.
Hey, you're matching!
Of course I'm gonna match my new car. She's so cute. Oh my
How are
God.
you? Look at the outfit. You look great. Matches the interior.
You know what? You have no idea how excited I am.
I can't blame you.
opened at 7. They were literally opening the door as we walked up. So.
Morning.
What's up, man?
What's
Morning.
going on?
Nothing much. How about you?
Ready to load.
Nice seeing you.
Sweet.
Angel Barbie. Yep.
That's cool.
Angel Barbie is the name of the car.
It's great.
Yeah.
You have to personalize it.
Angel Barbie's out of here.
Angel Barbie's out of here.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Have
See
a
you
good
guys.
afternoon.
Have a safe ride. Send us lots of pictures.
Color
Enjoy
coordinated.
it. See you guys. Have a safe ride.
Thank you so much.
Hey, what you doing?
Just bugging.
Steven, Jody's brother, on August 3rd, 2024, headed off in his 1973 VW Thing to Yellowstone National Park all the way from Clearwater, Florida, traveling over 2,700 miles, full of waves, beeps, smiles, and meeting new people with his VW Thing hunkered down with no top. He stopped at several national state parks, camped, made memories, had a great time. He passed away while camping in Glacier National Park due to a cardiac event. Such a sad loss for his family and our group of VW friends. At least his last couple weeks, he was living his VW adventure in his treasured VW with a huge smile on his face and his heart full of happiness. We send our condolences to his family and friends, and he will be greatly missed. An amazing and loving son, brother, father, and friend. His VW Thing is being transported back to Florida, where Jody will be taking care of it until his kids are ready for it. To make room for his VW Thing, the 73 Super will be back for sale. Information will be down in the description. Rest in peace, Steven.